Everyone, it's Missy here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Wednesday. I don't have a crafty roulette for you this week. So all of my videos up until today, or Monday's video, well no, today, have been pre-filmed. My husband and I were going to go on a trip and I knew that, so I did my best to get some pre-filmed. I thought that I would feel well enough and strong enough and in the right frame of mind to film a crafting video getting back. Unfortunately, I just haven't made it there. We drove to Massachusetts from Dallas with our cat. We stayed in a hotel, and the accessible room they put me in was on the 6th floor, and then they had a fire alarm, so I had to walk down 6 flights of steps with the muscle weakening disease and a back surgery under my belt. And then I've just been really just trying to recharge and get my strength back. And then I had infusion on Monday. It's now Tuesday. So I just haven't felt well enough to do a crafty roulette. And I never want to sit down and film a video and just put out a card that I'm not happy with. I don't want to do that just to have a video. So I am a design team member for Scrapbookpal.com, and each month we pick a project that we'd like to do, and then we're given an allowance to spend in the store. So I thought today I would share with you all the new goodies I picked up, because I picked up a ton of stuff from Hero Arts. And so yeah, so let's head over to my craft table and I will walk you through everything I picked up. Don't forget to answer the question of the day, or leave a comment if there isn't a question of the day, for your chance to possibly win a prize. July's winners will be announced sometime in August. I know I haven't announced June's winners yet, but that's because we left the very 1st of July. So that video will be coming soon. And then make sure you come back Sunday for a bonus video. But okay, let's head over to the craft table and I'll show you my new goods. All right, friends, let's see what we got. Got some big things, some little things, all the things. I got a bunch of Hero Arts, a bunch. Some spellbinders. Let's start with this. This is a 6x6 paper pad. And again, all of this is from the Scrapbookpal.com website. I'll try to have everything linked down below. So this is actually from Tonic. This is their Sweet Sorbet double-sided paper. You get 24 6x6. I was actually really tempted in the kit that came with this, but it ended up not getting it. I think it was in January or February when that came out. So pretty cute pastels. Get 4. I think it's 8 of 4 designs. So some really good B-sides. Some really good patterns. I hate this camera's like white balance. Wait. Okay, so I got this. This is actually what is going to be used in my project. This is the Hero Arts. What's this called? Number candles. That's what it's called. So you get numbers 1 through 0, or 0 through 9. You get some candles, some heart wick, like a flame. Celebrate, make a wish, happy birthday. And I got the coordinating dies. And then I got this one. This is, oops, rolling around, a bunch of balloons. And I really love this one. Happy birthday. Hope your birthday is poppin'. You lift me up. I love you so much I could burst, up and away, and hello. And then you get a smiley face if you want to put those on the balloons, but you get this bunch of balloons, and then there's a single balloon, and then it comes with the coordinating, I picked up the coordinating die cuts. This whole collection from Hero Arts is just so cute. I had to get all of it, I really did. So I got this stencil. This is the confetti streamer stencil. It'll be fun. I picked up this one. This is the birthday Stampin' Cut. So it has happy birthday and then celebrate, and then you get a stamp set with it. I picked up a couple of background stamps. So this is the candles, I think is what it's called. Yep, candles, bold print clean stamps. So it's a background stamp with candles. Then I got a background stamp with balloons and streamers and confetti. So cute. Then I picked up this girl from Spellbinders. I thought she was really, really sweet. This is called A Darling Hello. So you got her, it's got be happy, hello, have a great day. You've got some stars, some butterflies, some flowers, some clouds, and it's by Mei Ling Hung. I think is how you say that. The last thing from Hero Arts I got was this. This is called an alignment stencil. So it's a slimline stencil, and you can figure out where you need to place your dies. So this is 4x9, and the one on the inside is 3.5 by 8.5, and then you have your squares. I thought this would be cool to like line up your masking paper, so you could create like your own pattern paper or whatever. So I picked that up. I think it will be handy. Then the last thing I got were a couple of dies. This is a die from Spellbinders. This is called, it just says cutting dies. Detailed cutting die. What was this called? Oh, kaleidoscope circle. So they can be Christmas ornaments, but it's this background. So you get this frame, then you get this background that has 3 circles, and then you also get the 3 circles, and then you get 3 different tops for the circles if you want to make them ornaments. And so that's what it can look like. Really cool. And then last but not least, I picked up this one. This is the Slimline Angled Panel die. So I thought it would be cool to use this to cut out and make like a rainbow background or something. I don't know. I had a lot of creativity flowing when I picked these products. So yeah, so thank you so much for joining me today. Like I said, I apologize that I didn't have a crafty roulette, but trust me, the next 3 are going to be really, really fun, and you're not going to want to miss out. So thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Your question of the day is, which stamp set would you pick out of this group? Make sure you answer the question of the day for your chance to win. All winners for June will be announced in the next week. As I mentioned, my husband and I were out of town, so I have some catching up to do. And then all the winners for July will be announced the first week of August. All right, guys, I love your faces, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.